currently the situation we're in right now. There's shit lying everywhere. I decided to not record the tear down. Would have been way longer, so I decided to not include that part. So as of now, just got the bumper off, the plastics off, rad's off, and I just mounted the rad. Now, the snorkel kit isn't here yet. Should be here this week, hopefully, and then I'll start on that. Alright, I got the holes marked for where the rad needs to be drilled out. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll drill the hole out to mount the fucking rad. Alright, as you guys see now, we got that one's probably the one that's not the center, but that's pretty fucking center. That's pretty fucking center. That's fucking mint right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and try to mount this up on here. I don't know how it's gonna go. We're gonna try though. So that's how it's gonna mount up basically. Those 4 holes. The rest of it, I'm probably gonna do tomorrow. Okay guys, update on the rad. We got the one side cut a hole. Now we're gonna start working on the other side. This side's gonna be more difficult because I think I'm actually gonna have to cut the factory hose. That one I didn't cut the factory hose. I did some cutting in the inner fender for this little cutout right here. So this is the stock hose right here, and then here's the add-on from here up. I'm pretty happy with that. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can get this other side buttoned up so I can get the rad kit done. I'm still working on waiting for the snorkel kit to get here. Okay guys, so I cut the factory harness, or not harness, but the factory rad harness, I guess you can call it, rad hose. I cut it back in good ways, and just because the fucking factory harness is made out of the thinnest shit and it fucking kinks so easy. Like, this is how much I cut out of it basically. And then that's what's left over from the kit that Wild Boar gave me. But I basically got it spliced in. Got that straight piece like literally underneath these fuses right here. And then I'm gonna try to get it, it's gonna come up and then go straight in basically. It should work because this is some thicker, or not thicker, but it's more tough. It doesn't kink nowhere near as easy as for now anyway. I don't know if it's gonna soften up as I use it. I don't know how it works, so I might have to make changes later. Anyway, that's where we're at now. We're gonna have to drill a hole in, I want to say it's gonna be this upper plastic, not the lower one, because there's a piece here and a piece here. I put a hole in the piece down here for that one, but this one's gonna be basically riding along where the frame actually comes down. The front rack goes down in this hole, so it's gonna be like riding along it basically. But I'll update you guys whenever I make more progress.